The existing CRM that they had was Pipedrive, and it was a version of Pipedrive that didn't necessarily have all the functions, right? It was like a lower tier. So I knew that, Pipedrive, if I was to buy a higher tier, I would have gotten a better product, a product that was not matched completely to Close, but would have ticked a number of the boxes, right? But, I would say that one of the things of coming into the organization, and actually even in the interview process, one of the things that I thought was interesting was that emails weren't even, other than a copy and paste from time to time in a note in Pipedrive, but they weren't integrated into their system at all. So immediately I was like, well, that's got to change, right? Like we can't be doing that. We can't expect people to make the CRM like another administrative task of something that they have to do. Like, I want people prospecting and talking to people. I don't want people like copying and pasting emails from one system to another, maybe 50% of the time. Like, I don't even know if I was to be asked to do that, I think I would probably do it 10% of the time, right? Of only the very most important things.